more than 14 hours of being detained at Abraq International Airport, the Libyan government has finally succumbed to pressure from various quarters and cleared the Nigerian flight to bring the players and officials back home. Subsequently, the Nigerian Football Federation has decided to pull the Super Eagles out of Tuesday's 2025 Africa Cup of Nations qualifier against Libya. This follows a frustrating 12-hour ordeal at Abraq International Airport in Libya, where the team has been stranded since their arrival on Sunday afternoon. The Nigerian delegation was en route to Benghazi for the crucial qualifier when their chartered aircraft was dangerously diverted mid-flight to Abraq, a small airport typically reserved for hajj operations. The unexpected diversion left players and officials stranded without any assistance from the Libyan Football Federation, which failed to provide transportation. In a statement on Monday, the NFF detailed the chaotic situation, explaining that the team remained at the airport for over 12 hours, unable to reach their hotel in Benghazi, which is 3 hours away. The Nigerian delegation for Tuesday's 2025 AFCON qualifier against Libya is still at Abraq Airport, 12 hours after landing. The chartered value jet aircraft was, strangely and in a dangerous manner, diverted to the small airport just as the pilot was completing his approach to Benghazi Airport, the NFF stated. The NFF further noted that the fatigued and frustrated players have now resolved not to play the match. The NFF, supporting the players' decision, is currently arranging for the team to fly back to Nigeria, effectively pulling them out of the fixture. Players have resolved not to play the match any longer, and NFF officials are making plans to fly the team back home, the statement concluded. Reacting to the situation, Super Eagles captain William Troost-Ekong condemned the treatment by the Libyan authorities. In a series of tweets early Monday morning, Troost-Ekong described the situation as disgraceful, accusing the hosts of playing mind games. He revealed that the team is being kept in an abandoned airport with no access to food, drink, or phone connections, 12+ hours in an abandoned airport in Libya after our plane was diverted whilst descending. The Libyan government rescinded our approved landing in Benghazi without reason. They blocked the airport gates and left us without a phone connection, food, or drink. All to play mind games. I've experienced issues before while playing away in Africa, but this is disgraceful behavior, he wrote. Troost-Ekong also mentioned the difficulties faced by the Tunisian pilot, who managed the unexpected change in destination but was subsequently refused accommodation for his crew under government orders. While the pilot could rest at the airport, Nigerian crew members were not allowed to stay, forcing them to sleep on the plane. Even the Tunisian pilot, who thankfully managed to navigate the last-minute change to an airport not fit for our plane to land, had never seen anything like this before, he wrote. Upon arrival, he tried to find a nearby hotel to rest with his crew but was denied at every hotel, again under government instruction. He could sleep there, but no Nigerian crew members were allowed. They have now returned to sleep on the plane, which is parked up, Troost-Ekong added. However, the Libya Football Federation, LFF, has denied accusations of foul play or sabotage, after the Nigerian national team were left stranded at the Abraq airport over 15 hours after arrival. In a statement on Monday, LFF cited routine air traffic control protocols, security checks, and logistical challenges as factors that can affect air travel. They also claimed that a similar incident happened when their players traveled to Uyo, Nigeria, for the first leg of the fixture. The statement released on X read, "We are deeply concerned about the recent reports surrounding the diversion of the Nigerian national team's flight ahead of the Africa Cup of Nations qualifier in Libya. While we regret any inconvenience caused, it is essential to note that such incidents can occur due to routine air traffic control protocols, security checks, or logistical challenges that affect international air travel. These are standard procedures at airports worldwide, and delays or rerouting, though unfortunate, are not uncommon. We have the utmost respect for our Nigerian counterparts and want to reassure them that the diversion of their flight was not intentional. There are no grounds to accuse the Libyan security teams or the Libyan Football Federation of deliberately orchestrating this incident. Such actions are inconsistent with our values and principles. We firmly reject any claims that suggest foul play or sabotage in this situation. It is important to highlight that just last week, our own national team faced significant challenges upon our arrival in Nigeria for the third match of the Africa Cup of Nations qualification. Despite the difficulties we encountered, we did not make public accusations nor question the integrity of the Nigerian authorities. Football, in its essence, unites nations, and we are committed to upholding the spirit of fairness and mutual respect both on and off the field. In Libya, we pride ourselves on our hospitality and our welcoming nature. We have always prioritized treating all visiting teams, including our African brothers and other international delegations, with the respect and dignity they deserve. Hosting these events is a great honor for us, and we strive to ensure that all teams feel safe and respected as our guests. This commitment to equality and hospitality is a core aspect of our culture and tradition. We hope that this misunderstanding can be resolved with understanding and goodwill. Our doors are open to our Nigerian brothers and all African teams, and we continue to promote the spirit of unity, sportsmanship, and friendship in the world of football.
The contracted fan and everything, made arrangements. They did not want to pay extra cost to whoever they hired their plane from Libya. They were trying to cut cost. They now came to Port Harcourt Airport that is fairly new now. It's been refurbished very well, has space, seats, everything. They now sat on the floor, started taking pictures. And some of few gullible Nigerians are falling for it. We will not fall for it. Let me give you my credentials. I've traveled with this team to Morocco. I traveled with the team to Rwanda. I come back often for the games in New York. So I know how the thing runs, you understand? Even when they were in New York, we provided them with security, gave them the best hotels. That is how we run. We know we'll lock you up for 13, 15 hours in the airport, no food, sleep on the couch. These same Libya people did it to him by 2022, I think it was in Confederations Cup. Go and check it online. And by the way, in the airport for 24 hours. This is their way. So stop supporting nonsense. Clarify. Even if you don't trust the NFF, at least people like us that have some form of credibility, we are telling you how it runs. You understand? I was with this team in New York. You understand? I saw everything. We gave them the best hotels. We gave them correct time to train, everything. Security convoy, everything that they needed. And that's why when we were in Rwanda, Rwanda gave us the same thing. That's the standard procedure. That's the standard practice. Let the game be decided on the pitch and not by some wickedness. So stop this nonsense. Stop spreading what we did first. We did not do anything first. Now they do themselves and we try to help them to remedy their own situation. Get your facts right, please.